Words are tools for thought. If you only have a few words, you can only make a few distinctions. Subtle differences blur together, and complex feelings become harder to explain even to yourself. This also affects our outward communication. When everyone uses similar words and structures, conversations may become smoother, but they also become flatter. Nuance is reduced, and it becomes harder to express unique disagreement because language becomes more general and less precise. Writing has always been a way for people to leave a signature of themselves. You could tell who wrote something just by the rhythm of their prose, but if suggestions nudge us toward the same patterns, those unique edges soften. There is also a cultural layer to consider. Language carries identity, slang, regional phrases, and personal quirks reflecting where we come from. Systems trained on global data sets favor what is most common across the majority. Less common expressions appear less often, and local diversity in language might become less visible in everyday life. None of this happens overnight. It is slow and almost invisible, which makes it easy to ignore. It is also important to stay balanced. Language has always evolved with technology. The printing press standardized spelling, and the typewriter shaped sentence structure. Predictive AI may just be the next step in the evolution. However, the scale is different. For the first time, billions of people are in a constant daily conversation with systems that learn from them and instantly suggest language back. This brings us to a technical warning known as model collapse. As more AI generated text fills the internet, future models are trained on that synthetic average data. If humans also start writing like the models to save time, we enter a loop of diminishing returns where the diversity of the data set shrinks. If we optimize entirely for speed, we might accidentally delete the unpredictability that makes human communication valuable. Language is how we think, remember, and feel. Predictive systems make life easier, but they also create a feedback loop where we train the machine and the machine shapes us back. We should treat predictive text like a suggested route rather than a mandatory path. We need to maintain a critical scientific temper as suggested by the principles of staying curious and analytical about the tools we use. Science communication is not just about making things simple, It's about making them